How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device, and now in order to make a public profile, you need to adjust a few settings. So tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, if you scroll down to the privacy controls tab, you will see a bunch of options. So go ahead and start adjusting these settings. So start by tapping on See Me and Find Friends option you see there and toggle on the toggle button for Show Me and Find Friends. Additionally, tap on the Contact Me option you see there and then go ahead and set it to Friends and Contacts. Next, tap on the View My Story option you see there and then go ahead and set it to My Friends, or you might as well see the option for Public here. Now, once you are done adjusting a few settings here, if you go back to your profile, you should see the option for Public Profile. However, if you don't see the option for Public Profile, you will see the option for My Story and then My Story Public. So in order to start adding your story to your public profile, tap on the add option and then add your story. Or what you can also do is go back to your camera and then take a snap and then tap on the send to option you see there. And here you will see the option for My Story Public. So tap on it and then tap on the send option. Also, if you want to adjust the timings for your story, you can do that too and set it to almost a week. So once you are done making the changes, tap on the send option you see there, and with this, your story will be sent to your public profile. As you can see here, the story has been added to public profile. Now, if you tap on the public profile option, you will be able to view all your story that you added. You will be able to add in spotlights and reposts. So this was about how you can make a public profile on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.